Hi guys, my friend recently had a case. The car did not start well in the morning. It could stall while driving, and in general it could either go, then stall, then not start. Contacted specialist, but to no avail. Replaces the damper, washes the nozzle, replace the wiring with candles, replace the air meter, but all to no avail. But the problem turned out to become following. The automatic transmission battery has two wires, plus and minus. So the plus had a slack. That's why there were problems. We fixed the bolts and fasteners. The car became normal. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.